The mailbox is usually where dreams go to die, especially when that thick utility envelope is staring you down. You open it up, and the number is staggering. It makes you want to crawl under a rock. Then, like fate, an ad pops up on your feed. It shows a sleek little device called the PowerPlug Pro. The person in the video looks so confident. They promise 40% savings. They use words like voltage stabilization and power optimization. Those terms sound like something out of a science fiction movie. But here is the cold, hard truth. Physics does not work that way. You cannot just plug a tiny plastic brick into one outlet and expect it to manage every appliance in your house. It is like trying to stop a flood with a single sponge. These gadgets are flooding the market right now. They all look the same. They are generic boxes with cheap parts inside. Most of the time, it is just a simple capacitor and a little light. They do nothing for your actual consumption. The meter on the side of your house keeps spinning just as fast as before. Scientists have looked into these. Electricians have taken them apart. The results are always the same. They provide zero measurable benefit. In some cases, they are actually dangerous. They skip basic safety testing. They can overheat or cause shorts. You're literally paying money to increase the fire risk in your home. It is a classic gimmick rebranded for the digital age. They use fake before and after photos. They show bills that look like they were made in a basic photo editor. If it were this easy, every power company would be out of business. They would give them away to reduce strain on the grid. But they do not. Because the technology is a fantasy. Real savings come from the boring stuff. It is the LED bulbs. It is the high-efficiency washing machine. It is turning off the air conditioner when you leave the room. There are no shortcuts. There are no miracle plugs. Do not let the fancy terminology fool you. Your hard-earned money belongs in your pocket, not in the hands of someone selling a plastic paperweight. Stop clicking on those viral ads. They target your frustration. They promise a quick fix for a complex problem. If a device claims to defy the laws of electrical engineering, it probably does. Stick to the basics. Insulation matters. Unplugging that old fridge in the garage matters. A little glowing box does not. It is frustrating to realize there is no magic pill for your home. We all want that secret hack. We want the one trick that saves hundreds of dollars. The people selling these plugs know that. They prey on that desire. They take a cheap component that costs pennies and sell it for $50. They slap a professional-looking label on it. They hire actors to tell you how much they saved. It is all a performance. Think about your heavy hitters. Your water heater, your oven, your dryer. These draw massive amounts of current. A small device plugged into a kitchen outlet cannot touch that load. It has no physical way to influence the resistance or the draw of a motor in another room. It is a technical impossibility. The only thing these devices optimize is the profit margin of the person selling them. Save your money for a better air filter or some weather stripping. Those things actually work. They are not flashy. They do not have glowing green lights. But they will actually lower the number on that bill next month. Stay skeptical of anything that sounds too good to be true. Usually, it is just a fancy way to part you from your cash. If you see a deal that claims to break the laws of nature, just keep scrolling. Your bank account will thank you later.